Guys, let's unbox Malkist double chocolatey crackers. Let's see. As you can see, it is imported, and the company called Mayora. It is importing from Indonesia, as you can see in back label. Here it is mentioned Indonesia. They are importing from that and they are distributing. Let's see. Let's open it. It will be having like 2 wafers, like double biscuits, and in between that the creamy chocolate. Okay. It is having sugar coated. Let me try to open it. Okay, thin layer. Let's see how it tastes. It's an Indonesian biscuit, like it's a cracker. Let's see. Yes, it's good, and it is costing about 5 rupees. They had put 7, they scratched it, and it is 5 rupees, 0.33 per gram. I don't know how they are taking 5 rupees. Manufacturing date for December, till December it is there. Okay, sugar quantity is less. It is having this sugar quantity is like 3.1 1.2 grams of protein they are giving. That is the best part. Okay, taste is also good, and it is having 14 layers of biscuits. As you can see, it is having 14 layers, and they had fried that. They had cooked. Okay, thank you.